Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Queen Monday's page. Hope you're fine, hope you're good. Today we're going to be speaking on a very interesting topic, which I titled How to Avoid Pregnancy After Sex Naturally. How to avoid pregnancy after sex naturally. I know many couples want to get pregnant, but only with proper planning and when they are ready to have a baby also. And to prevent unwanted pregnancy, many females use other contraceptive pills and even other methods too. But it is likely to happen that she may skip her pills or have intercourse without a contraceptive method. Well, there are very simple and effective home remedies that we have that can help you prevent pregnancy naturally. You can use this after having unprotected sex to avoid pregnancy. And these methods are highly effective, but it is not 100% sure. I'm not giving you 100% assurance on it. What are these methods? Well, if you're new to my channel, welcome to Queen Monday's page. I'm a health worker with a sweet difference. To my old subscribers, thank you so much for staying put. Now, what are these things? But before then, I would like to place a disclaimer on these things I have to tell you about natural ways to prevent pregnancy when you have unprotected sex. If you're looking for effective ways to avoid pregnancy after sex naturally, and you're considering any of these things I would want to tell you now, please consult your gynae, consult your doctor. If you have any sickness like stomach ache or you've experienced any form of abnormality, please consult your doctor before doing all of this I have to say. Now, what are these natural ways you can, natural things you can take to prevent pregnancy even after having unprotected sex? One, it's papaya. You can take papaya, that's pawpaw, to avoid pregnancy after sex. If you have had sex, unprotected sex, eat papaya like twice a day for the next 3 to 4 days. Yes, you heard me. Eat papaya twice a day for the next 3 to 4 days. You know why? Because papaya does not allow fertilization, and it acts as a birth control of an unwanted pregnancy naturally after sex. 2, pineapple. You can have pineapple to avoid pregnancy after sex, unprotected sex. You know why? The natural properties of pineapple prevent implantation of the fetus and avoid unplanned pregnancy after sex. Eating a ripe pineapple every day for 2 to 3 days after having sex helps prevent pregnancy. 3, apricot. Apricot is a fruit well known to prevent fetus implantation naturally. To use this, add about 100 grams of dried apricot. Yeah, you heard me. 100 grams of dried apricot and 2 tablespoons of honey to 1 cup of water. Boil this mixture together for about 20 minutes or blend the mixture together and drink it when it is lukewarm. Alternatively, you can also eat 5 to 10 apricots a day after having unprotected sexual intercourse until your period starts. I hope you're finding this interesting. 4, ginger. Yeah, ginger. Ginger can induce a period and it can also prevent pregnancy. You can consume simple ginger tea as a remedy. Add grated ginger or crushed ginger to boiling water. After 5 minutes, just strain the mixture and it is ready to drink. Drink like 2 cups of strong ginger tea each day to prevent pregnancy. Ginger tea will not harm you or your body in any way. no side effects on it. It is good for your skin. It even helps induce period and weight loss also. But only do this when you have unprotected sex immediately, not after some days. The next is fig. We know dried fig, right? The picture is there. I would put in the picture for you to see it. Dried figs. It's one of the best natural birth control method. Figs also boost blood circulation. So to avoid pregnancy after sex, eat 2 to 3 dried figs after unprotected sex. Do not overeat these figs, please, because it can cause stomach upset. The next is cinnamon. Cinnamon. Cinnamon can stimulate the uterus and can even cause miscarriage and abortion. You know. However, cinnamon does not work instantly and should be taken regularly for some times. Then, to avoid pregnancy after sex naturally, consume cinnamon every day until you get your period. That is immediately after sex, unprotected sex, in brackets. You should consume cinnamon tea, maybe every morning, or you add a little pinch of cinnamon to a cup of boiled water. But before you take this, just like I said before, consult your gynecologist before taking cinnamon to stop pregnancy after unprotected sex. The next point is this. Do you know juniper berries? Juniper berries. I'll place the picture also. Juniper berries also, it's good and helps avoid pregnancy after unprotected sex. You can consume it for 3 consecutive days after unprotected lovemaking to stop pregnancy. And this fruit, or will I say berry, reduces the chances of urinary tract infection and also kidney stone. The second to the last point I have to give you about this is parsley. You know parsley. It's an effective remedy to prevent pregnancy after intercourse naturally. You can consume this as a mild herb. You can, take it in the form of tea. It has no side effects. The next is neem. We all know neem tree. Neem is one of the most popular home remedies that we have that you can use to avoid pregnancy after unprotected sex. It is available in different forms, both in the forms of leaf, in some forms of dry leaf, in forms of oil. If injected into the uterus, neem oil can kill sperm in just 30 seconds. On the other hand, neem tablets can promote temporary sterility in men. You see how powerful it is. So when you are trying to use any of these things that I've mentioned, kindly consult your doctor. I am only giving an advice. I'm placing a disclaimer, just giving an advice on this. Then the bonus point for this is vitamin C supplements. You can also use vitamin C supplements to avoid pregnancy after sex naturally. Vitamin C is another effective remedy to prevent unwanted pregnancy. This vitamin interferes with the hormone, that's the progesterone, and this helps prevent conception. You can take about 1,500 milligrams of vitamin C tablets 2 times a day for 2 to 3 days after having unprotected sex. Make sure to not overconsume vitamin C, as it can cause a side effect on your health and your body. You should also know that vitamin C supplements are not suitable for females who are suffering from sickle cell anemia or any other anticoagulant medications. Please, before you do any of these things or carry out any of this, kindly consult your gynecologist, consult your physician before doing any of these. To my old subscribers, thank you so much for staying put. If you find this interesting and find it educative or informative to you, kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this wonderful channel. Click on the like button, as this will help me grow on my YouTube. Place a comment below if you have tried any of this, or if you've tried it before and it has failed you, or you've heard stories about this. Kindly click on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I post a new content. Share my videos. Till I come your way next time, I remain your health worker with a sweet difference. Bye.